This is page 97 of your reading and writing pack. Look at the top of the page where it says date. Find today's date in your calendar and write it on the line. Now we're going to read a text together. Look and read along with me if you like. My house. I live in a house in Glasgow. I have 3 bedrooms. I like the kitchen and the living room. I watch TV in the living room. I have a garden at the front and at the back. I have been in my house for 2 years. I like my house. Now let's read it again. My house. I live in a house in Glasgow. I have 3 bedrooms. I like the kitchen and the living room. I watch TV in the living room. I have a garden at the front and at the back. I have been in my house for 2 years. I like my house. Now you are going to do a true or false activity. True or false. Read the sentences and put a tick if it is true or a cross if it is false.
اقرأ النص وضع إشارة صح إذا كان الجواب صحيحا، وإذا كان خطأ ضع إشارة X.
So read the text, read the sentences, and write a tick if it's true or a cross for false. For example, number 1, I live in a flat. I live in a flat. So we read the sentence, read the text. I live in a house in Glasgow. So number 1, I live in a flat. No, because the text says I live in a house. So number 1, I write an X for false. Now let's look at the answers together. Number 1, I live in a flat, is false. Number 2, I live in Glasgow, true. Number 3, I watch TV in the kitchen, false. Number 4, I live near a park, is true. Number 5, I don't have a garden, false. I started living in my house in 2010, false. She has lived there for 2 years, 2 years. So I started living in my house in 2018. Number 7, my house is very bad. False, because I like my house. Finished? Well done. Now you can move on to the next page in your book.